Hello, this is Dwayne from Dwayne Outdoor Adventures. Please like and subscribe. Um, I'm going to be trying to show you, the viewer, my adventures and my hunt setups that I had this past first week of PA spring gobbler season. So in this particular video that you're about to watch I had a gobbler that was way over the hill from me, and I was trying to maneuver different call tactics and trying to move my sound around to get him to come up over the hill to me. Well, apparently it didn't work. The hen won. He was with a hen. So please watch.